We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MUL Lens Stock, Moreland Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area, breaking through key resistance levels and trying to hold itself up here above 33 cents. And in today's volatility, it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 1:45 p.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows had crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 80% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are at FEMU Online Stock, Moreland Automotive Inc. doing the full transition. We're going to talk about some key levels here and what's going on within the charts with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot at 10:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with FEMU Online Stock, Moreland Automotive Inc. doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area after doing a full transition from the dip area to the rip area last week, going into this week, and now yesterday, Tuesday, into today, falling downwards. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with FEMU Lens Stock under a bear indicator at around 37 cents yesterday, and the outflows had not crossed until today after the bell here towards the middle of the day at around 35-cent area, and it's hit low so far of 34 cents. So that bear indicator, we saw it yesterday, the outflows had not crossed, and I did talk about it was really close, and if those outflows crossed to the downside, it was going to be crucial to watch those levels to the downside of 35 cents, 33 cents, and then below that 30-cent area. It did hit highs here of 39, and it rejected the same area it rejected in the beginning of the day, in the after hours, going into the next day. So something to not have ignored there was that double rejection, double top bear indicator, and these inflows were really close to the midpoint, and all it took was for it to cross to quickly start to reflect into the chart, guys. So here we are with FEMU Online Stock under a bear indicator, fighting to stay above 33 cents, and we're going to talk about some key levels here to watch going into tomorrow. So the first thing to look at here is within all this volatility in this move so far, on the 1 hour, we've had a lot of movement in the last several weeks and months where we've gone from around 20 cents all the way up to the 40-cent area, keep rejecting in that area, and inflows have never picked up on the 1 hour time frame and even right now in present day. And the last time that happened was way back here in October when it went from around 20 cents to 45 cents. Back down to 33-34 cent area, all the way up to 63-64 cent area. And you could see those two inflow crossovers and highs up here when the Ortex data and Fintel data was showing that short interest was slightly going down, creating the speculation that shorts were covering in that buying pressure as well, creating a possible squeeze, right? That was the speculation at the time. And here we are with multiple runs that have happened, but inflows have not picked up. And I've talked about how much importance it has been for these inflows to slightly pick up. Just go from red to green, even if it doesn't cross the midpoint, get closer to it to justify the possible strength here when we've gone up. And here we are slightly coming back down. We got a bull indicator that canceled this bear indicator from way back here at around 42 cents. And that double rejection there between the 7th and the 8th of February. We got that bull indicator here at 36 cents. Hit highs there of 40 cents. And now we have a bear indicator canceling this out again. And the outflows continue to dominate. And we're pulling back down because as long as those outflows continue to dominate, the more weight it's going to have on pulling down the stock, right? Not allowing it to break out even further because the inflows are not growing or rising on larger time frames. Now, on shorter time frames, you will see on the 15-minute and 30-minute, the inflows crossing over back and forth, but that's the volatility. In the bigger picture, the 1 hour continues to dominate the outflows, and we got a bear indicator here now at 37 cents. But what's interesting is, could this double bottom here? That's the big question mark, and we would need to see if things pick back up here on this double bottom effect and retest of resistance levels and cancellation of this bear indicator if inflows could finally pick up with it. Like I stated, going from red to green, even if it doesn't cross the midpoint, but try to move up with it for that possibility of even further strength within the move, right? But another thing too is we've done a full transition from the dip area to the rip area here, and from the rip area here at the 40-cent area back down to the dip area of Weiswurth border. So this is something to not ignore, especially these key levels that we're reaching going into tomorrow. And I'm going to share with you guys what it is I would watch. So the first thing is I would like to see these inflows pick back up on the 30-minute and also cancel out this bear indicator in the process. And if those inflows pick up, for that strength to start to reflect into the chart pretty quickly to retest resistance levels to the upside, and not just on the 30-minute, but on the 15-minute, as these inflows are green right now, but they have not crossed the midpoint just yet, and outflows are dominating, and this bear indicator would need to get canceled as well, up here at around 38 cents to 37 cent area. So I'm going to be watching that very carefully going into tomorrow, as these inflows are pretty close, because if that can cross over, it could quickly start to reflect into the chart and hopefully roll over into the 30-minute as well. Now, what are the key levels to watch? Well, the first support is 33 cents. Below that is the 30-cent area. And if 30 cents gets broken through, I would also watch how deep these outflows are going to the downside and also how quickly things are pulling downwards. Then I would watch the 28-cent area. Now, to the upside, like I stated, if these inflows could pick back up on the 15-minute and 30-minute and cross over, cancel out those bear indicators and start testing new resistance levels, well, the first one is 37 cents. Then above that is the 40-cent area. And then above 40 cents, I'll watch how it reacts between 42 and 45-cent area. And I'll be looking for that strength to possibly reflect into the chart, create that staircase effect, and get a bull indicator in the process. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.